Welcome back, friends. Now I will explain another problem, which is an equation which says if an equation is 2007x minus 21y equal to 1923. This is an equation where x and y are the variables and x and y are both positive integers for which this equation satisfied, and x is greater than equal to 1. This is the second condition. First condition, x and y are the variables, x and y are the positive integer where x is more than 1. This equation satisfied, then you have to find the value of x and y such that this equation satisfied, and further we have to find the minimum value of 2x plus 3y minus 1950. That means you have to find the value of xy set where this xy value will satisfy this equation, and that would be the minimum value for which this equation satisfied. So, where x and y is the positive integer and x is greater than 1. This is the condition of the math. You have to find the value of this minimum value. There may be so many solutions, set of solution of x y, but out of that by which that this expression will attain its minimum value, that you have to find. Now come to the solution. Now if I write this equation again, or rather I will start to the equation given there, I will try to reduce it. So if I try to reduce this, these all numbers are multiple of 3. So if I divide it by 3, it will become 3, 6, 6, 9 x minus 7y 3, 6, 3, 4, 1. This will be the final outcome. Now I want to arrange it in such a way that x will be one side and y will be on other side. So this will be 6, 6 y, 6, 6, 9 x, and here 7 y. I will arrange it by keeping minus 7 here, and this will become this side. So this will come 641 if I write this. So I have subtracted minus 7. So it will be the 7 will be on the same side. If I keep, so it will be or like that. If I let me do it first like that. Now I want to keep the same constant here so that I can take. So if I try it like that, I will keep 669. So for that, how much adjustment I have to do there on the right hand side? Let me check. This is 669, 641. So that means it will be something like 8 will be on the other side, 28. So if you see, I am breaking 641 in such a fashion that I will keep 669 there and 28 here. Now out of this, I will take common 669. It will become 8 x minus 1. On the other side, if I take 7 common, it will be 5 minus 4. Now I will write the equation like that. I will arrange it like that. It will become 669. So this is the final stage of the equation that I have got here after doing this combination or some calculation. So here, as you can see, that condition is x greater than 1, that means x minus 1 should be greater than 0. Now to get a real solution of x and y, this part cannot be 0. So x minus 1, if it is greater than 0, and other condition is that x and y are integers, positive integers. Okay, positive integers. To satisfy that, the minimum value that can be attained by this equation on either side, as x minus 1 greater than 0, that means it must be something integer there. So, to be x minus 1 greater than 0, the attainable value that can attain, the minimum value that can attain by x minus 1 has to be 1. Okay. So, this way, but if I say x minus 1 is equal, x minus 1 is equal to 1, and if I put there, y will become a fraction. So, to give y a very firm value of that will definitely bring the y value as integer, this total fraction has to be equal to 1. So, this will definitely give y a definite value of a positive integer. So, this the minimum value for both of this side of the equation has to be 1. For any value less than 1, it will give fraction value of y. Okay, understand. So, if I do it like that, to x, the minimum attainable value for which x and y to be integer, positive integer. So, x I am getting here is 8. Okay. Now, similarly, if I say the both side is equal to 1, that means this side also to be equal to 1. So, y equal to here you are getting 673. So, the minimum value for which that equation will satisfied, minimum value of x and y, which will satisfy its condition of positive integer would be x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 673. Now, we have to find the value of the equation which is equal to 2x plus 3y minus. So, it is very easy. After up to this, it is very conceptual one. Now, we have to put the value of x and y there in the equation, you will get it very easily. 673 minus 1950, not 56, 1950. So, if we calculate it, this is 16 plus 3 is 9, 21, 6, 20 is 18, 20, 1950. Now, it is 2035 minus 1950, that means 5, 13, 8, 85. So, this is your answer. Okay. So, the first part is very much conceptual, second part is only the calculation that you understand easily. So, thank you for now. Please subscribe and forward my videos. Thank you.